anywhere here. My advice to traders is you don't want to be entering at the first wick. So if you enter at the first wick, you're most likely going to take a loss, right? This is an unnecessary loss you can miss. Now, the two ways you can prevent the loss from happening is just by analyzing your key level in a bit more detail. We had a 5-minute FVG over here. We can see price has basically filled the entire FVG. So you want to avoid losses on the first tab. So my advice to traders is to understand not to trade the first tab, right? So this is where we build psychology, we build patience, right? FOMO is for traders who don't backtest enough. FOMO is for traders who don't understand how the market works at key levels, right? We want to be buying below the candle's opening price inside of a key level, right? This blue box is the key level. This gray box is also the key level. So how are we doing that? So what we're doing now is we're looking for a change in the state of delivery. So how do you spot a change in the state of delivery? So ICT talks about CISD, right? Talks about change in state of delivery. So how do you find that, right? There's a few ways to do it. So let's just give you a little quiz here. Is it going to be market structure? Is it going to be an inverse FVG like I see some traders, using? I see a lot of traders using inverse fair value gaps. Or is it going to be something else, right? Is it going to be order flow? Or is it going to be whatever it is, a market structure shift, right? As some people, or if I've already done market structure shift, is it going to be, I guess, the 2022 model, which I think is a market structure shift and a fair value gap, right? So you want to forget that. You want to forget this. You want to forget this because these are patterns, right? You are a sophisticated charting gambler if you don't know what's going on. You also want to forget ICT, right? What does a change in the state of delivery actually mean? It means that in this case, buyers have stepped in, buyers are in control. And so how are we going to figure that out, right? All you need to know is, are buyers in control, right? Once you come into a key level, are buyers in control? Are sellers in control? And the way this works is if you see buyers in control, you want to buy. If you see that sellers are in control,